Hey everyone, Irit here with the November Hip Kit Club kits. So to try and keep this not too long, I will try to be straight and to the point. Okay, first paper is an exclusive to the kit. It's called Oh Happy Day and it's designed by Kimberly Hutchinson, the owner of Hip Kit, and this side has these beautiful light blue background and white leaves. Very, very pretty. And then the other side is plaid. Is this plaid? I never know with all the patterns. I'm sorry. In white and dark blue. I really like this side. I'm sure that's the one I will be using. From Jen Hadfield, Along the Way, this paper is called Sweet Sentiments, and this side has all these cute cut apart squares. And then this side I really love. Oh, I love this. I think this is a great layering paper. So it has this typewriter font and a cream background. Beautiful. From Heidi Swap, Emerson Lane, this paper is called Old School, and this side has this really fun chevron pattern. When I look at it, my eye immediately goes to this one, so I would to the pink stripe. So I think there are a lot of interesting things you could do with this. I would say probably cut out some of these shapes or use just like a strip of it, this or like this area. Lots of possibility. Beautiful paper. Okay, forget everything I said. Let's just use this side. I think for me this is like the perfect background, and if you're not into mixed media and you don't want to deal with the whole thing, then just use something like this that has the look of mixed media, but you don't actually have to do it. Beautiful paper. Probably one of my favorites in this kit. Jen Hadfield, Along the Way. This is called Home Sweet Home. This side has this cute pattern. I think it would be really cute to fussy cut out a few of these houses and then use them as elements. And then the other side is a dark tone-on-tone green pattern. So I'm voting for this side. Green is just not my color. From One Canoe 2, this collection is called Goldenrod. Did I get that right? The paper is called Meadow Floral, and this side has this beautiful floral. And then the other side is this stripy kind of mustardy color. I like this side. Heidi Swap, Emerson Lane. This is called Semi-Sweet, and this side has these very dramatic, painterly looking flowers, which I think would be fun to cut out. And then the other one has this fun, looks almost like hand-drawn, kind of wonky, striped pattern in green and white. From Jen Hadfield, Along the Way, this is called Birdseed, and this side has this cute pattern in, I think, cream and black, I guess. It's not really black. Dark brown, maybe. Grayish brown, very pretty. And then the other side is a beautiful pattern, very elegant. And this is also something dark, like a charcoal black type of color on cream. Very beautiful. And then the last, no, this is not the last. From Emerson Lane, Heidi Swap. Wow, this floral is beautiful. I would definitely consider fussy cutting it or even use it as a background because it's so light but really striking. I really like it. This paper is called Pretty Please. And then the other side is also really cool. It has this pattern. To me, when I look at it, I want to cut this part out and use that, maybe this area. Very, very pretty. I don't think I knew this collection from Heidi Swap. Beautiful. And then this paper is Jen Hadfield, Along the Way Parkway. And this is one side. It has this tone-on-tone pattern to it, and then the other side is this really cute dainty floral, which I really like. So I like I think the kit has kind of like a fall winter feel to it, like a color scheme, very kind of cozy, and I think it's really fitting for this time of the year if you are in the northern hemisphere. Moving on to, we're still in the main kit, moving on to the embellishment. So the Alpha is an Hip Kit Club exclusive product, and these are puffy alphabets, really cute skinny font in dark blue, and you also get some hearts and dots and a few asterisks. Super cute. And then we have, oh, these are always my favorites, from the American Crafts stickers. These are foil foam letter stickers, and there are 30 pieces, and I love this because you have words and also embellishments like these leafy bits which I really enjoy adding to my layouts. Then for embellishments we have this beautiful sticker sheet from Heidi Swapp. So gonna hoard this flower. It has gold foiling in it, and it's just beautiful. And then this side has these tabs and different labels, which are just perfect for journaling and, you know, stamping the dates and everything. We got the Heidi Swapp stamp set last month, which I absolutely love, and that would work perfectly with these, so I'll pull it out to use also with this kit. And then we have one of the super fun exclusives this month from Hip Kit Club. These are acetate die cuts, and it's just a bunch of leaves, which I love. So beautiful colors, and yeah, I can't wait to use them. And we also have these wood veneers, also exclusive to the kit, and they have the printed foil detail on them, and they're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I do love the texture of wood veneer, and these to me look like very easy to use bits and pieces, and you can of course also alter the color. I know it's written with an A, but it doesn't sound like alter the color. And paint it or mist it or whatever to customize it. So that's the main kit. If you want some more paper, then you can get the pattern paper add-on, which has all the papers in the main kit, and or the cardstock kit, which has 2 sheets of this mustardy color. This is called Yukon Gold. We have Basil White, 2 sheets of those. We have 2 sheets of Basil Arroyo, I want to say, and it's just a beautiful kind of a deep pinkish color. 2 grays and 2 dark blues that are called Mysterious Teal. That's a lovely name. And then and then 2 pink ones that are called Tutu Pink, and I really love this super pale blush pinks. Those are some of my, I don't use a lot of cardstock besides white, but this is definitely the kind of color that I do like, that I do enjoy using cardstock. So moving on to the embellishment kit, which is very, very cute. Where should I start? I'll start with the Alpha. I just love these kind of alphas. They're so easy to use. I like the small size. So this is called Anne, and they had me at that name because of Anne Shirley. So like this video if you're an Anne Shirley fan. Foil foam letter stickers. There are 265 letters, so tons and tons and tons of them. And yeah, I really, really like. They're gold on white foam, and these are like some of my favorites to use on layouts. We also have this ephemera from Heidi Swapp, and you can use this with the mink, but you don't need to have a mink to use it. So you can put it through the mink and then foil it. I don't know if I will do that. I might do that. I don't have a ink, but I have foil and a laminator, and that works just as well for me anyway. And yeah, super kind of very classy Heidi style with the pops of black and white and her classic flowers. So tons of pretty things to use. And then also from Heidi Swapp, oh, these are very cute. We have here 4 envelopes, and they're very pretty. I think I saw Jill Sprout using them on her layout, and it looked fantastic. So you get such a great detail when you use something like this. I think the white one is my favorite, and they have the gold detail here. Beautiful. And we have enamel dots, always a good thing. These are from Echo Park. The collection is called Coffee, I think, which is a great name for a collection. I love coffee. And the colors match the kit perfectly, really. And then, let's take a moment. Ta-da! So, Kimberly really knows, oh, that's Kim and Kimberly know the way to my heart. The way to my heart is with puffy florals. So this is exclusive for the kit. It comes in the embellishment kit. This is designed by Kim Watson, and it is just perfect. So there's a ton of puffy stickers and all kinds of other little cute bits and pieces, but I'm all about the florals here, and they're fantastic. So I'm super excited to use these. Very, very happy. Moving on to the color kit, which has the a few shimmer products. So we have Vibes, which is a mist, like a spray mist with mica in it. So it's very shimmery, and it has this deep teal color, very dramatic, very pretty. Camera so doesn't want to focus. There we go. So I hope you can see the color nicely. And then we have the perfect minty color, and this is shimmers. So it's already, you don't have to do anything. You just grab a brush and dip it into it. You don't need to add water or anything. And this color is just a beautiful, perfect mint color, and it's called It's Mint to Be. And then the other one is a creamies, and these come like this. So they come hard, and you have to add, you spray a bit water or drop with a brush a bit water. You let it sit for a few moments, and then you can use it like any other type of like watercolor in a pan. And the color is good old summertime. So, well, you saw the color. It's like this warm pink, very, very pretty. And then we have these cute ones. Nobody does florals like Heidi, seriously. So we get here 4 stencils. We have the small dot, and then we have the large dot, and then we have 2 beautiful florals. So hopefully you can see the pattern. I know, white on white, very clever. This is my favorite. With this, I might use it as a stencil, or I might cut it here and use it as embellishments. Like I would separate the flowers and use them as embellishments. I think that would look absolutely beautiful. And you can, I think you could also mist these and play with them like that. So beautiful, beautiful product. And then last but not least, the Project Life Kit, and I'll show you the cards at the very end of the video, so you can skip that if you're not interested. The Alpha is really cute. It's a Hip Kit Club exclusive. It's called Puffy Mini Alphabet Stickers. There are 386 pieces, and we have light blue, dark blue, yellow, and pink. Super, you know, versatile and easy to use. Then we have, these are mini phrase stickers, also by Hip Kit Club, and they're really cute. What else? I'm trying to show you in the order that it's just, everything is really cute. So this is a exclusive ephemera, and you have a variety of these cute little embellishments. It has a bit that kind of autumn wood type of theme, I would say. Really, really cute stuff. And then we have, this is pretty cool. These are dimensional stickers from Jen Hadfield, and you have the wooden frame and then the inside. It looks like a photo. I think it's really cute. And look how pretty they used it here. So what are they calling these? Dimensional stickers. So I think these would be fun to even like build a page design around them. I think that would be fun. And these I absolutely love. These are dimensional stickers, again from Jen Hadfield, and we had this from a previous collection with flowers, and I loved that. So this one has just different images, super cute. I love the strawberry, of course the floral, butterfly, really, really, really cute stuff. These are the type of embellishments that I love using on a page because I think they add so much. So, didn't get to do this as fast as I had hoped. Let's zoom in for the Project Life cards. We'll start with a 4x6. So I'll just flip. Oh, super cute. Captured moment. November, the best month of the year. Little foxy. And a beautiful floral. And then we have the 3x4. So I'll show you. These are really adorable, I have to say. How cute is this? Seriously. You can use these in so many ways. I don't do Project Life, but I really enjoy using these on my layouts. Ooh, this one I like. I really like the colors here. Another cute one. Let's talk turkey. I don't eat any more animals. But for those of you who are, then enjoy. Happy moments, never to be forgotten. Family always. Today. Where. Give thanks. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the kits, and you can check out the Hip Kit Club for all the details. Thanks for watching. Bye.